Good morning and welcome back to Coffee Conversations with Candy. Please continue to like, share, comment, and follow these videos. I was recently asked to talk about the best stocks to invest in right now. Well, that is not a simple question to answer. What I will say, the best stock is looking into growth stock because growth stock ultimately it is an opportunity to invest in a company's stock, but you need to be able to do it over a long period of time, an average of about 8 to 10 years. During that period of time, you will see the stock go up and go down. But on average, historically, that type of stock has paid in the double-digit percent. That's the return that you can expect. Now, it also depends on where you are in your investment journey. Are you at the beginning of your career where you just graduated from college? Are you mid-career, or are you toward the end of your career? Because that ultimately depends on the risk you're willing to take with your money. Of course, the longer you've been in your career and whether you're close to retirement or you're retired, then you're not willing to take as great of a risk because you don't have as much time to be able to leave your money invested. The longer you're able to leave your money invested in growth stock, the greater return you will see. Now, whenever you go and you speak to a financial advisor, they are going to ask you a series of questions. And one of the main questions is, what level of risk are you willing to take? Do you want to be at high, moderate, or low risk? The older you get and the closer you get to retirement, you're going to be moving more to the moderate and low risk. If you're fresh out of college, you're just now entering the work world and starting your investments, you're willing to take an even greater risk on your money, which will yield a higher return in the long run. So as you can see, it's not just a simple answer, but if you are looking to make some investments and you want to look at some stocks, I would look at artificial intelligence, technology, different things like that, because as we know, technology is advancing daily, and those are the types of stocks that you can see probably a quick return in a short period of time, but you also have to be very careful with that because the fact that technology is changing so rapidly, something that is great today from an investment standpoint, there could be another company, something else invented that comes right behind it that could make that stock move in the opposite direction. If you want to learn more about stocks and investing in them, please send me a direct message with your information and we can talk about it because it really requires a one-on-one conversation specific to what your risk tolerance is and where you are in your career and life. Thank you for joining Coffee Conversations with Candy.